Hello there, beautiful people. Thank you for stopping by and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Effie and I'm passionate about everything DIY, organization, home decor, and craft. Are you passionate about the same? Well, I think this is the right place for you because I'll ensure your thirst is quenched twice to thrice every single week. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I put any video up and be part of the DIY gang. See you in the next one. But before I leave, please be kind, and spread love. That's it for today. Thank you.